Hello there. Welcome to this unique tutorial. You'll soon watch how to convert animated PowerPoint template to a video pin in Adobe Express, and then post it to Pinterest. First, let's take a look at the PowerPoint animation. There are 5 slides in this vertical video ad for pottery sales. And, as you can see, the video display ad looks elegant and eye-catching. Let's return to Adobe Express. Our first step will be to import this animated PowerPoint template here, as you can see me doing. As I click on Upload Media, Adobe Express accepts the PowerPoint template and converts the slides into pages. When it's ready, it's time to open the pages in Adobe Express. The pages come on the timeline, all 5 of them. I will now keep the first page and delete the rest. This is because, unlike PowerPoint, Adobe Express does not automatically move from one page to the next. It preserves the PowerPoint slides for the purpose of presentation, rather than a continuous video. Okay, it's now time to resize the single page. For this, let me choose the option Instagram Story, since it has the size 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is what I want for the video pin. We now move to the second step. This time I'll change the color of the cutout shape and the fonts. Let me select the cutout shape. It's locked. That is how Adobe Express treats the imported slides. But I can unlock them, and I have to do this twice. First the page, and then the page components. Okay, as I now seek to change the cutout shape color, Adobe Express recommends 5 options that are nearest to the present color. Let me select the bluish-green color. Looks like it's quite close to the original color. Next, the fonts. Adobe Express renders Calibri as default font for all copy. Doesn't matter what fonts I had in PowerPoint. So, what I will do is, for smaller texts, I will select the font Lotto, while keeping the size and the space same. Some adjustments are needed to make the texts fall in line, as I do now. For the main ad copy, Seasonal Sale, let me try out this font, Westgate. It's a stylish font. I like it. Perhaps a slightly bigger size will have looked better. Okay, time to move on to the next step. Step 3. From Options menu at the bottom, let me select Edit Timeline. What I will do in this step is increase the number scenes to 4. This is needed because I will be making this video pin for 3 pottery products. You will see this soon. The other part of this step is to adjust the duration for each scene. So, for the first scene, the duration will be 0.9 seconds. While the other 3 scenes will last for 1.8 seconds each. This means the total duration of the video pin will be 6.3 seconds. Remember, the scenes automatically proceed from one to the next, unlike the pages. Next, we now come to step 4. For this, let me first open the layers at the right for the first scene. This is an important step, because we are going to change the images in each scene, and their order of appearance. Take a closer look at the steps being done. In actual, I am replacing only one image, just to explain how you can do this, using Adobe's stock images. For other scenes, I am changing only the order of their appearance by pulling them down or up in the Layers section. Do remember, when you create your animated display ad, you must upload your images before you can use them. Okay, the fifth step now. This step will be to animate the images in second, third, and fourth scenes. In the first scene, I have kept 2 images. The bottom image is not necessary, because there will be no animation in the first scene. I am rendering drift animation to each image on the 3 scenes. They move from left to right during entrance and have the personality as energetic. The duration of each animation is 1.5 seconds, while that of each scene is 1.8 seconds. This means, after the animation is complete, a scene shows the new image for 0.3 seconds before the next scene comes with new animation. Try out different animations. Adobe Express is an easy tool for that. You can also drag the playhead along the timeline to check out how the animations are working. So, go ahead and dip your feet in these cool features. Time now to check out how the video ad plays. It is playing fine. What do you say? Right, now comes the last step. Step 6. I will be posting this video pin to Pinterest. Adobe Express makes this easy to do. Clicking the blue share button brings down the menu of options to choose from. Let me click on Pinterest. And now, in this pop-up, I have to fill in the details of the video pin that I am going to post. If you have used Pinterest, you will know these steps. One of the things you will do is write the description for the video pin. Adobe Express offers generative AI to automatically create the description. But I will have to write something to give the AI tool some idea about what to generate. So, I write PowerPoint to Adobe Express, and then click the Generate button, and select Generate New Caption. It takes the tool a while to generate the contents. Meanwhile, as you can see, the video pin is now ready on the right. Okay, the generated text is ready. I will insert this in the text box, and then I am gonna make changes to it. Now that the description is ready, I have to give a title for the video pin. Pinterest also wants me to give a URL. Unlike other social media platforms that dislike links, Pinterest acts more like a search engine that links video pins back to original content. Don't forget to review the video pin. In this case, play the video pin once more to see if everything is okay. Finally, it's time to publish. You can do this instantly, or schedule it for a later date and time. Right. So, the video pin is published. Let me check it out on Pinterest. It has come all right. The description has also come all right. This tutorial will now come to an end. Discover exciting display ads templates in our Patreon shop, and lots of other cool things. Thanks for watching.